Hi Panthers, I'm going to walk you through the sample lesson plan description that we post outside of all classrooms before any AVID visits. So you'll see in your email a form that looks like this for me. It says National Demonstration Schools Welcome AVID Visitors. We post this outside of the classrooms just to let visitors know what the intended lesson is, what Wicker strategies are being incorporated, what AVID training the teacher has, and just generally what the lesson is about that day. So just at the top, you put your name, what class it is, including the level, so if it's AP, honors, GT, and then what grades our kids are in the classroom. Are they ninth grade? Are they 10th grade? Is it a mix? Underneath that, where it says AVID training, they want to know specifically what AVID training you've had. If you've been to AVID Summer Institute, what strands did you attend? If you've done a 2-day BCPS AVID workshop, what were those workshops that you attended? Were they Socratic seminar? Were they philosophical chair? You can go back in your records or you can email me if you have any questions, but they are looking for specifically what AVID training have you attended, not just a yes or a no. Underneath that, it says lesson objective slash essential question. Most of us are using objectives. This can be in the form of an I can statement or students will be able to. Whatever your content area is using is fine, as long as you make sure that it centers on what the intended learning is for the day, not the unit. Underneath that, they're asking for specifically what Wicker strategies are you using in that lesson, not in the course in general. They're not asking for you to give a description about the content of the class, but rather, are you using a quick write? Are you using numbered heads? Are you using a Socratic seminar? Are you doing a learning log? Are you doing focus notes? What specific Wicker strategies are you using in the course of that day's lesson? You don't need to explain them, you can just list them in here. Don't feel like you need one for each. Focus on the ones that are most used in that lesson. And then underneath that, it just has the lesson description. What are you teaching that day? Is it like a 1-day lesson? If so, what are the kids learning? What are they studying? How are they learning it? Keeping in mind that those Wicker strategies are what they're looking for. But they really want to see if the kids are doing a Socratic seminar today, how is it a part of the learning for the unit? How is it a part of the learning for the next class? Is it building up to an assessment? Is it the assessment? They want to see kind of the trajectory of where things are going. All right, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks.